What up, YouTube? Jade up here, and I'm bringing you another video. Today's going to be kind of simple. It might even be considered a dumb video. I don't know. But I am changing out windshield wiper blades and the rear wiper on a 2021 Dodge Durango GT. Now, I'm doing this video because, like I said, anytime I find a video that could be helpful to somebody, I want to film that, get it up for you guys to watch. For some people, this might be pointless. But anyway, I'm going to help show you how to do this. You know, it's not that difficult, but let's dive in. Okay, so this is the 2021 Dodge Durango. And as you can see, our wiper blade is, well, it's messed up. You know, it's just not working. It's been like this for a minute. Should have changed these out a while back, and I didn't. So we're going to do this. Now, on most of the Dodge products, they're super easy compared to like some of the Fords and stuff. So there is, if you look underneath here, there is a little, maybe a little trigger right here. If you push up on that trigger, you can see, you'll feel it release, and then you can actually push this in. All right, I needed two hands to do this. So you push up on that trigger, and then you actually push in like that, and you'll see that it'll come loose of the arm. And bam, just like that. Now you want to be careful not to drop this, because if you drop it on the glass, it's going to shatter your windshield. So, like I said, you can see the little loop right there. It just connects into there basically, and this is the tab I was talking about right here. It's underneath here. It's just a little tab. You just push up on it and push through. Okay, so we got our new blade here. By the way, the passenger side is a 21. The driver's side is a 22. In the rear, that's the part number from Napa. I'm assuming it would be similar, just about anything. Now, different wiper blades will work in the same configuration. This just happens to be what I'm able to get for good, and they're not bad blades. So you're going to have a whole bunch of stuff that comes with this thing. Don't need it. All we need, literally, is the blade itself. So there's the tab, and this is going to be super easy, guys. Just as easy as easier than even taking it off. So let me grab two hands. Okay, so you're going to take this end like this, the hook end, and you're going to take the curved end here, and you're just going to literally slide it under there till it clicks. And you'll hear it click, and now it's in there. Now, on these blades here, you got to take off the plastic covering. Don't let those stay on there. And then bam, that's the passenger side done. All right, guys, so for the driver's side, it's going to be very similar. We're going to lift this up, okay? And like I said, as you can see, the blade is just wore out, needs to be changed. So push the tab in. I don't know if you can see it or not. Push the tab in, and then just click that out like that. Remember, don't let this fall. You don't want to damage your windshield. Pull the new 22 blade out. And for some reason on this one, this doesn't have a protective thing on it, but it does have end caps. You want to take those end caps off. Just slide off. Not a big deal. And we do the exact same thing that we done on the other side. Push it up into the circle here and just click it in place, and you'll know it's in place. It's good. Bam. Both wiper blades are now changed out. Now we go on to the rear. Okay, moving to the rear. This one's actually not that bad. A lot of people have an issue, though, because they try to move this up, and they end up breaking this. And that's where the issue comes in. It's pretty simple, guys. You got to push and pull up on it. Like I said, basically, kind of pull up on that tab, pull up on that tab, and then you pull up like this. And that will allow you to move this up in this direction. Okay, like I said, not too bad. Okay, now to get the blade out, like I said, you're basically going to, let's see if I can do it to where you can see. You're going to do that like that, and you'll see it has a little bit of a bar in there, and you're just going to literally pop the bar off. And just kind of an upward motion, pop the bar off, okay? Because that's all that holds that in there onto that arm, okay? So this is done. I'm pretty sure this was the factory blade. So now we're gonna, like I said, there's the blade number that we use. And we'll open this up. As you can see, pretty similar, okay? Oop. All right, so now we're literally just going to shove that in there like that. Click it in place. As you can see, it's not going anywhere. Down, click that back in place, and bam, rear wiper blade changed out. And that's it, guys. That's really all there is to it. I mean, it's kind of a simple video, but I know a lot of people have broken that piece on the back of the Durangos and Grand Cherokees and whatnot, trying to figure out how to change it out. And that's how you do it. So, like I said, quick video, but I wanted to get you guys something. I figured I was going to do it anyway, so I might as well put it on film, and that's what I did. So, I got some more videos coming up soon. Got a few things I'm waiting on still, but once again, you guys know me. As soon as I think of a video and I can post it, I do. But I'm going to, I've got a few ideas for some videos, and I'm bringing those to you guys soon. So if you haven't already, please like, comment, subscribe down below. I try to get back to everybody in the comments that I can. Channel's growing. Please subscribe if you haven't. And yeah, guys, till next video.